Good day everyone. So guys, as you can see, this is Money Bux Telegram box update whereby you can make money online without investment. As you can see guys, this is the Telegram bot, the Money, and I confirm withdrawal this afternoon. I confirm withdrawal $1 and I use it successfully in less than 4 minutes. And also I already confirmed some withdrawal here before. I withdraw 1 point. Let me scroll up guys, so you can see that this one Telegram bot is very legit. As you can see guys, I made withdrawal of $1.7 and I receive it in less than, you can see guys, this is it. I received the 1% USDT, and this afternoon, as you can see, I placed withdrawal of 1 USDT and I successfully received it in less than four 4 minutes. You can see, let me go into my, the first time watching me, I am Ogai Tech. I post video related make money online. If your first time watching me, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, share with your friends who are also interested in making money online. So you will be the first to be notified once I drop another video. So guys, let's get started into it. This is the Money Box whereby you create email to make money online without investment. And let me go into my payout account. As you can see, this is $1. I will go successfully. I withdraw 1.04 USD and I successfully receive it, and I can withdraw it out. And so guys, let me go to my thing I have. You see, this is the 1.7 USD I received on November 2. As you can see, I received it 410. Let me go into my easy box. Let us check the time. This is it guys. I successfully received it. I withdraw it and I successfully receive it. And so guys, in my next tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to swap your USD and withdraw to your exchange, or either your wallet or your exchange wallet, and I'll be guiding you step by step after you withdraw it to your exchange and swap it to on your currency. If you are in Nigeria, you can swap it to Nigeria and use it to your bank straight account straightly without investment. As you can see, this money base is very legit and has no use. This has to you with no investment needed, no fraud, no scam, and this money is really paying. And so guys, if you successfully like my video, then just subscribe to our Guy Tech channel, like my video, share with your friend who also interested in making money online, so you'll be the first to be notified once I drop another video. Thank you for watching my video guys. Peace out.